everybody, it's your girl Cece. Welcome back to my channel. Forgive my redness. I just used a skincare mask that I have not used in a minute, and I guess I'm having a little reaction to it, but that's okay. We're gonna keep it pushing with this video. So today's video is going to be my May base box Boxycharm unboxing and try on as well, which works out perfect because I'm getting ready to go live for my business, so I wanted to put a little makeup on anyways, so this is like perfect timing for that. So I do subscribe to Boxycharm. The base box is $25 a month plus tax. And it actually came on time today. Like last month, I had to wait all month until the end of the month to get it, but it actually came on time this month. So shout out to you, Boxycharm, for being on point with the shipping. So as you can see, I have not opened this yet. So I'm going to open it, look at all the products, talk about the products, and then we are going to try them on. If you do prefer to skip to the try-on portion, I will have timestamps linked in the description bar below. So I wanted to start with a bare face because the last time I ended up wearing products that actually came in the box, and since I don't know what's in my box, I just wanted to be on the safe side and start with a bare face. So let's go. What the box looks like right there. And we have a card, and it looks like this month's theme is Flourish. So that is the card. Products on the back. So let's see what we got. So the first thing I am definitely not going to use because, as you guys can see, I did get my hair done. Protective styles coming through for this summer, okay, because it's too hot to be flat ironing and curling and all of that. And that's exactly what this product is for. This is the Hot Toddy Before Ironing Heat Protectant Mist by Drybar. I am going to keep this though because when I do go back to wearing my natural hair and getting blowouts and everything, I definitely want to see how this works. So I'm definitely going to hang on to that for once the weather calms down. And this retails for $27. So that is not a bad price point for that. The next thing that came in here was my choice item. I'm really excited to try this, especially since I have some redness going on right now. And it is the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. Super excited. I am really hoping and praying that this shade works out for me because I really didn't have a good way to pick what my shade was going to be. I got the shade Sunbeam. So this is what it looks like outside of the packaging. So the top twists off like so, and it has a nice doe fit applicator, which I really like. And let me just swatch this. Okay, so that is one swatch. So the coverage looks supreme. Okay, like, girl, the coverage looks really freaking bomb. And let's just rub this in and see how it looks once you rub it in. Yeah, the coverage looks really, really bomb. It does look to have some shimmer in it. Yeah, it's definitely like a shimmering type of concealer, and it does have this cute little sponge at the bottom. I'm not sure how much I would actually use it, but I am gonna try it, you know, for the demo with the sponge. So let me tell you about this product. So this says it's an eye lift in a tube, sheer liquid brighteners, let your skin come through to deliver a natural lit from within youthful glow. Diamond Complex delivers a soft focused finish, includes removable sponge for on the go blending, and this does retail for $27. So as you can see, this has dried in a little bit, and you can definitely tell like that glow from within. I just hope that it doesn't look like straight shimmer under my eyes because, girl, ain't nobody got time for that. So we're gonna see how this works out in the demo. The next thing that I have in here is another set of brushes, which I'm so super happy because you guys know I live for a good brush set. So this is by Lavish, and this is their Essential Eye Collection. And it comes with 5 brushes. You have this nice yellow and green, so really, really cute for the spring. So you have a little blender. Looks like this is kind of like an angled blending brush, and then this is just like a regular blending brush. So I like that we have multiple blending brushes. We have a angled brush that I use for brows. You could also use it for liner as well, a eyeshadow brush, and a precision brush. Some people use it for crease. I use it for the inner corner highlight. So the brushes feel really nice. They don't feel cheap or anything at all. And this brush set retails for $30. It's Beauty. It's their Haze Smoky Eye Pencil. Looks like that, which I can always use an eye pencil. Like, I love this like ombre type packaging. This is so super cute. All right, so let's twist this off, and it is not retractable. So that is what it looks like. And this is a shade. And as with the packaging, it is this really nice kind of eggplant purple shade. And it feels really smooth and creamy. So I'm really excited to see how this actually looks on the eye. And this retails for $18. Not too bad, not too bad at all. And then the last product I have is by Beekman 1802, which I've never heard of that brand, but it is the Dewy Eyed Illuminating and Depuffing Eye Serum. Ooh, okay. So this is what it looks like. Okay, packaging. Yes, with the little pouch. Okay, that's cute. So this is what the serum looks like outside of the packaging. Really cute. It has a little pump, and then that is the serum. So as you can see, it's a really runny type serum. Doesn't have a smell at all. So that is the serum right there. Girl, $42. We gonna test this eye serum. And see what it's all about. But $42 for a serum, girl, this thing better make my skin look like it looked before I had children for $42. I'm just saying. Okay, so that is everything that came in my box. So let's go ahead and get into the try-on portion. We're gonna try on all of these products, and then I'll come back and let you guys know my final thoughts on brows are done. So it's time for concealer. I'm not using the Tarte one because it has shimmer in it, and I definitely don't want to carve out my brows with anything shimmery, but I am going to be using one of these Lavish brushes to carve out my brows. To my skincare, where that can be settling into the skin while I'm working on my eyeshadow. So I've got my eye makeup done, and I just did my foundation, and I'm letting that sit while I go in and try out this Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, so that is just one application, and coverage wise looks good. It is a little bit more shimmery than what I like. So I'm just gonna take my Wet n Wild powder and I'm just gonna powder it down. I'm not gonna bake. I'm just gonna wipe this right off. But yeah, I just think you definitely need to set it down with a powder. Because I mean, me personally, I just don't like that shimmery look under my eye. So this is the finished look. It's a different look than what I usually do. It's definitely a little bit on the darker, vampier side, but I'm here for it. I am here for it. Okay, so let's talk about these products. So the Lavish brushes. This brush set was just okay-ish for me. I really was not a fan of this brush. I just feel like maybe because it's more on the denser side, I don't know, I just felt like it wasn't really picking up the product like I wanted it to, and I really had to like go in with my fingers after to carve out my brows. But the rest of the brushes did a really good job, so that was kind of a hit and miss for me. The liner was really, really good. I feel like it went on really smooth and creamy and blended out nicely. The Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, like I said, set it with powder and you will be just fine. The serum was actually really good. No issues with the serum. And like I said, I'm going to save the hair product for when my hair is styled differently. So all in all, I would definitely give this box a 10 out of 10. The 4 products that I could use, I actually really, really liked, and I am so happy that I got them. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe if you liked it. And let me know in the comments down below what you guys got in your Boxycharm box. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.